Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to share Instagram stories without being tagged. And the only thing you need to do to do that process is go to your navigator, and you need to search this page, InstaDP. You pick here, and this page, the only thing the thing they that do is they give it to you the option of download the all the information of the stories of another account. If you put your this username of this account, you want the post, the story. So the only thing you need to do to complete this process is pick here in DP, for example, and here you put the username of that person, and you need to select the option of stories. For when you pick here in download, that page gives to you all that stories that person got in their profile. So this is the process. You need to create an account to use this page, but this is the solution. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.